Welcome back to NeoEnglish, your daily podcast to help you quickly speak English about today's hot topics.
Yes, today we talk about something exciting, Android 16's big redesign, and how you can try it early if you have a Google Pixel phone.
That's right. There's a new update called QPR1 Beta. Beta means it's a test version, not finished yet. So, only people who want to try new things and maybe have some small problems should install it.
Maybe you have heard this. Android 16 is the next big update for Android devices. But the stable version, that means the safe one for everyone, is not ready yet. The QPR1 is a quarterly platform release 1 update. It brings new features earlier.
Let's explain redesign. This time, Android has a big Material 3 expressive redesign. Redesign means things look new, colors, shapes, and buttons are all changed. For example, if your phone settings now look blue and square, with redesign, it might look more colorful with round shapes.
And Material 3 Expressive is Google's design style. It makes your phone look fresh and modern. For example, if you open your apps and the buttons look brighter, or everything is easier to read, that's Material 3 Expressive.
So, you want to try this early version? Here is how to do it. First, you need a Google Pixel phone. Then, you have to join the beta program.
Join means to become a part of something. In daily life, you can join a class or join an activity. Here, you join the beta program. Example: I want to join the soccer team. Or he joined the English club.
After you join, your phone will get the update. You will see a message. You just have to click download and install. The phone will restart or turn off and then turn on again with the new Android 16 beta.
But remember, it's a beta version. That means there could be bugs or small problems. Bug is a word for computer mistakes. For example, maybe an app doesn't work, or your phone is slower.
So install means to put something new on your device. For example, I install Skype on my computer, or she installed a new game on her phone.
To try, the redesign means you can see and use the new features before everyone else. Try means to test something. For example, I want to try this cake, or he tries the new camera app.
Let's quickly use these words in a simple story. Listen carefully.
John has a Google Pixel phone. He reads online that Android 16 has a big redesign called Material 3 Expressive. He wants to try it, so he joins the beta program. He installs the update and restarts his phone. Now his phone looks very new, but sometimes he sees a bug, like an app closing by itself.
Now, let's review today's vocabulary and phrases.
First is redesign. To make things look different and new.
Second, beta, a test version not finished yet. Use it like, this is the beta version of the game.
Third, join. To become a member of something. Join the club, or join the meeting.
Fourth, install, to add a program or app to your device. Install the update.
Fifth, try. To test or use something new. Try the new features.
And don't forget bug, a small problem in a computer or phone program. There's a bug in this app.
So, Android 16 is not fully ready, but you can install the QPR1 Beta on your Pixel if you join the beta program. You can try the new Material 3 Expressive redesign, but remember there might be bugs.
Thanks for listening to Neo English. If you want daily English news you can understand about technology, the world, and more, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.
See you next time for more simple English about today's news.